In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download VLC on Android quickly and safely using the Google Play Store. This is the recommended method because it gives you the official version of the app, free automatic updates, and the best protection against fake or modified downloads. If you've been looking for an easy way to get VLC on your phone so you can play videos, music, and media files in one place, you're in the right spot. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store app. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's always the safest place to download trusted apps. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type VLC into the search field. As you type, you should see suggestions appear below. Look for VLC for Android and make sure the developer is Videolabs. That developer name is important because it helps you confirm that you're selecting the real app and not something similar with a different name. When you see VLC for Android by Videolabs, tap on it to open the app page. On this page, you'll usually see the app icon, the description, screenshots, and the install button. If everything looks correct, tap Install. Your Android device will now begin downloading VLC automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. While it's downloading, you can let your phone do its thing, and once the installation is complete, the install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch VLC for the first time. When the app starts, it may ask for permission to access your media files. This is completely normal and necessary because VLC needs access to your photos, videos, and audio files in order to scan your device and build your media library. If you want VLC to find and play your local files, tap Allow when prompted. After that, VLC will open and begin organizing your content. You may see your video folders, music files, and downloaded media appear inside the app. From here, you can start playing files right away, browse your library, or change settings depending on how you want to use the app. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded VLC on Android using the Google Play Store. It's fast, free, and the safest way to install it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.